Matter. What is matter? Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Examples: iron rod, plastic bag, air, water, rocks, etc. What is matter made of? All matter is made up of very small particles called molecules, atoms. Each molecule of a matter has two or more smaller units is atoms. They are known as building blocks of matter. We cannot see atoms with our naked eyes. States of matter. Matter exists in three different forms. 1. Solid. 2. Liquid. 3. Gas. Solid state. Molecules in solid. Molecules are very tightly packed together, so the particles cannot flow properly. Molecules are tightly packed. Solid is any material that has a fixed shape and volume. The reason for this is because the molecules are tightly packed together, which does not allow them to move. Fixed shape and volume. Molecules are tightly packed. Examples: table, books, coins, trees, crystals of sugar, etc. have a fixed shape and are all solids. Properties of solid. Solids have a definite shape. Solids have a definite volume. Solids have a definite mass. The particles are tightly packed. Solids do not flow. Liquid state. Molecules in liquid. As compared to solids, molecules are less closely packed in liquids, so they can move and slide over each other. Liquid is any material that does not have a fixed shape. The particles in liquids are loosely packed, which allows them to move easily. Examples: milk, water, juice, etc. all are liquid. Properties of liquid. Liquids do not have a fixed shape. Liquids have a definite volume. Liquids have a definite mass. The molecules can move freely in liquids. This helps liquids to flow. Gas state. Molecules in gases. In gases, the molecules are at large distance from each other and can move freely. Gas is a matter that is composed of very loosely packed particles, so they can freely move around. Examples: air and cooking gas. Properties of gases. Gases do not have a fixed shape. Gases do not have a fixed volume. Gases do not have a definite mass. The molecules in gases are very loosely packed, can flow easily in all directions. Conversion of state of matter. Change in state of matter. Matters can be changed from one state to another state. A solid can be changed into liquid and a liquid can be changed into gas. Process of change of states of matter. Melting. Change of solid into liquid due to increase in temperature is known as melting. Evaporation. The process of change of water into vapor is called evaporation. Condensation. The change of vapor into water because of decrease in temperature is condensation. Freezing. The change of liquid into solid because of decrease in temperature is freezing.